it's me Jhilian. Welcome back to my channel. So today guys, mag-bake tayo ng donut. We are going to make baked donut. So I'm gonna use this as for the dough. Yeah. This is a dark chocolate. This is for cake. This is for cake, guys. It's not supposed to be on a donut, but I don't know. I'm just gonna try it. So, yan. Simulan na natin. So, guys, we need to preheat the oven. So, we need an 180 degree and timer. So guys, we need to put the whole pack of the powder from the box. Then we need to put 2 cups of water. I'm gonna put the ingredients at the end of this video. So now we need to put the oil. And we also need 3 eggs. Oh, hi, Light! Okay, now we need to mix it. Of course, we need to mix it. I'm using my mixer. So just mix it, mix it, mix it. So it's done. Then now we need to put some oil on the baking pan. So I have this pan that's shaped like a donut, so it's much easier to use. So I'm just pouring that oil because it's hard if you just put the oil on your tissue. Just do it right away, or if you have a spray oil, that's fine also. So now I'm putting the butter. Oh gosh, I spilled a lot. Oh, that's not a lot, but okay. So now we're putting it. After I put all of that, guys, of course we need to clean those messy parts because it's gonna burn. It's gonna be hard to clean, so we need to clean it really well, so we're not gonna struggle when we washed it. Then now we are going to put it on the oven. So yeah, then put it the timer. I forgot what time we should do. So now we are waiting. Ta-da! It's done, guys. So we just need to take it out. So now it's already done. That's fast, right? Oh my gosh! So now we need to put the frosting. If you have anything to put for your frosting, just do it. If you don't have what I have, you can do like peanut butter if you wanted, or a Nutella. That's also fine. Or it's okay though if you don't have any frosting or icing. You can just use a powdered sugar or sugar. So guys, tapos na siya. Ito na guys. Ito niya. Chocolate mini donuts. Baked mini donuts. Yoww. Try na natin siya, guys. Hindi ko pa siya, guys, itatry, I swear. Ngayon ko pa lang siya itatry. Sarap, guys.
Masarap guys. So guys, hanggang dito na lang po ang video na ito. I hope you guys like it. Please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to notify every time I post. Goodbye guys! See ya!